please me, you school me, give me some things to think about, ignite me, you invite me, you go right me, you love me, you like me, you incite me to especially different every time you keep me on my feet, happily excited by all your cologne and your hand, your smile, your intelligence. You woo me, you court me, you tease me, you please me. School me, give me things to think about, invite me, you ignite me, co-write me, you love me, you like me, incite me to chorus. La da 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 You're different and special. You're different and special in every way imaginable. You love me from my hair follicle to my toenails. You got me feeling like the breeze, easy and free and lovely and me. Oh, when you touch me, I just can't control it. When you touch me, I just can't hold it. The emotion inside me, I can feel it.
Somebody say that a love like that won't last. Didn't I give